All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to put all of your letters into a poster. Super easy, super quick, as long as you do the hard steps beforehand. All right, so this is assuming that you have changed all of your, cropped all of your letters into squares, done some minor edits to them, adjusted the color, maybe changed them all to black and white or left them all in color, completely up to you. I chose to do all of mine in black and white just because I like that aesthetic and I think it's gonna look nice. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that all of your edits are inside their own folder, okay? They have to be separate from your original files. So this is what mine looks like, okay? So these are all my crops, they're all edited, and they're in their own folder. They are all labeled A, B, C, D, right? So they all have to be labeled in order. Obviously, they're going to be in order if they're in alphabetical order. Make sure you have all of your letters. You should have 26. Go through them, read the alphabet, make sure they're all there, and then you should be good to go. Okay, so it took me a couple tries because I kept missing letters here and there when I was trying to create this poster. So, all right, so assuming you have them all cropped and edited in a folder, we are going to go to File, Automate, Contact Sheet 2, and you're going to, under your Contact Sheet 2 box, under Source Images, you're going to make sure to choose Folder. Where it says Choose, you're going to find that Found Alphabet or the Edits folder, whatever you decide to title it. I titled it Found Alphabets. It should have been Edits. Yours is probably Edits. This is where all your saved stuff is. You're going to hit Open, and then we're going to not check Include Subfolders. We're going to, under Documents, we're going to make sure it's set to inches. We're going to make our width and height 10 by 10, so it'll be a square. We're going to check the Flatten All Layers button if it's not checked. RGB color mode. Everything should look just like this. Under Thumbnails, where it says Place, you're going to hit Across first. Make sure that's selected. Where it says Columns, you're going to put 6. Where it says Rows, you're going to put 5. You're going to uncheck the Use Auto Spacing button. You're going to put your vertical spacing at 0 and your horizontal spacing at 0. And where it says Use File Name as Caption, you're going to make sure that that is not checked. Okay, so as long as yours looks exactly like mine, with the exception of where yours is located, you're going to hit OK. What's going to happen, it's going to load them all, and then it's going to flatten those layers and put them into a nice poster for you. Okay, super easy. The next thing you're going to do is export this file. So we're going to go to File, Export, Export As, make sure it's a JPEG. Everything should look the same, and then hit Export. We're going to rename this your first initial, last name, Alphabet Poster, and then you're going to hit Save, and then it'll export it. Now, when I go to my Alphabet folder, my Found Alphabet folder, my edits, it's going to be right here, and I can pull it up. You are not going to turn this in yet. The next video, I'm going to show you how to make just your name the same way, okay? All right, so go ahead and work on that, and then when you're done, you can watch the next video.